Hello guys, myself Amrita. Welcome back to our channel TechnoSage. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about MySQL select statement. So select statement is basically used to select data from the database. For example, you want to fetch particular data from the database, then you can use select statement. So select statement is basically used in the three different ways. We will discuss each way one by one. Let's say you have an employees table which has four different columns. For example, employee ID, employee name, city and address. Now you want to select only employee name and city from this particular table. So what is the syntax for select statement? That is select column name, that could be employee name and city, then column 1, column 2 from table name. So table name in this case is employees table and columns are employee name and city. You can also select multiple columns here. I am taking two columns here. So this select statement is used to select the data for the particular columns from the table. And then suppose you want to select the data for all the columns, then you don't need to mention names for all the columns. You can directly write this query as select star from table name, which is employees in this case, and star is basically a wildcard character which will automatically select all the columns present in that particular table. And then we also have one more way to write the select query, that is select distinct. Distinct is basically unique. That means it will select only non-duplicate values. And then column name from table name, right? Table name. Now in this case, it will select only distinct values. Distinct values means non-duplicate values. For example, there are two columns having the same city. It will select only the distinct value, that is unique value. So let's write the query in our SQL workbench and then we'll execute to see how it works. So in the previous videos, we had created this employee table with employee name, employee ID, address and city. Now we'll write the select statement. First we'll write select star from table name. So table name in this case is employees table which exists in the database called company. So how we need to write company dot employees. So if we run this query, then it should select all the columns automatically because we have given star here. So let's run the query and execute it to see the output. So you can see here, right, the whole table is selected because it has selected all the columns. So now let's write another select statement where we are going to select only specific columns. So let's select employee ID and city in this case, then select column names. Column names are employee ID, comma, city from company dot employees. Means it says that we have to select only employee ID and city from the employees table. Let's run the query and see the output. So you can see here clearly, right? Let me zoom in to show you guys. So it has selected only employee ID and city. So like that we can select only the specific columns. So now we will write another select statement which will select only distinct values from the table. So now we'll write the third select statement which will select only distinct values, that is unique values. Then select distinct city from employees table, that is company dot employees. Let's run the query and see the output. So you can see here clearly that it has displayed only 4 records which has distinct city values. I hope you understood the select statement and how to write queries with the select statement. Please let me know in the comment section if you have any questions or any doubts. And in the subsequent videos, we'll also try to run different other queries with the select statement where we will use where clauses and other functions also. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. And also press the bell icon if you want to get the notifications. Thank you so much.